Speaker, why don't I put this in the present context so that our colleagues can recognize why this bill is so crucial. Just about a week ago, many of us took to our communities to announce the first time in 10 years the increase in the minimum wage. In fact, it was July 24th, 2007, the last time the minimum wage was increased for American workers. And by the way, we gave tax relief to our small businesses, was 1997 under a Democratic administration. It took a Democratic Congress to raise the minimum wage 10 years. We could not get our friends on the other side of the aisle to raise the minimum wage. It took a majority Democratic Congress to raise that wage. Now, understand, suppose 2-3 years later, you found out that the minimum wage was raised in 2007, but your employer had never told you. The question becomes, is it not fair for you to be able to have retroactively what is due you as a hard-working American? That is what happened to Lillie Ledbetter, who worked for Goodyear year after year after year after year after year. And tragically, the Supreme Court, unevenly divided, appointed by this administration, believed that Lillie Ledbetter had no rights. This legislation, and I thank the distinguished member of the Rules Committee, I thank Mr. Miller, I'm proud to be one of the co-sponsors of this legislation, wants to put this system on the right track. We are giving Lillie Ledbetter and all those who may be under her particular discrimination relief. And that is because she did not know of her rights to be able to pursue the discriminatory practices when they were happening. The Supreme Court threw her out of court. This is an appropriate fix. My colleagues fixed a problem with the Border Patrol agents. I happen to agree with them. Mandatory sentences is really a challenge. But we're trying to fix something for hard-working Americans, a woman who was discriminated against, and under the labor laws, unfair practices. Can I get 15 seconds?
I yield the gentleman 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
I thank the distinguished gentleman from Massachusetts, and the Speaker. Under our labor practices, we have provisions for individuals to challenge unfair labor practices. We have an Equal Employment Opportunity Commission that is for our own Americans to address unfair and discriminatory practices. We do not owe up to the values of this nation if we do not correct an injustice. It was an injustice for Lillie Ledbetter not to be allowed to pursue her discrimination charge. I ask my colleagues to make it right and help women get equal pay for equal work. I yield back.
Mr. Speaker, at this time I'm happy to yield